Let's be honest for a second. Do your legs ever feel a little skinny or weak? Do you get tired just from walking a few blocks? Maybe it's hard to stand for a long time, or your legs just feel shaky too quickly. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people deal with weak legs, especially when we spend so much time sitting down. But here's the great news, you can change that. You can turn those tired legs into powerful, explosive muscles. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 simple jump exercises that will build serious strength, speed, and athletic power. Let's get started. Number 1, box jumps. Find a sturdy box or a step. Just squat down a little, then jump up onto it with both feet. Step back down and do it again. This is amazing for building explosive power and balance. Just remember, start with a low box and get the form right before you try to go higher. Number 2, tuck jumps. Your goal here is to jump straight up and pull your knees to your chest in the air, then land as softly as you can. This is fantastic for your coordination, your core, and it really boosts your vertical jump height. Don't worry about how many you do, just focus on jumping high and fast. Number 3, jumping burpees. This one is a powerhouse. You drop down into a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and then explode upward into a jump. It combines cardio, full body conditioning, and leg power all into one smooth move. The key is to keep a steady rhythm and not rush your form. Number 4, skater jumps. Ready to move side to side? Jump from your right foot over to your left, just like a speed skater, landing with control. This is awesome for strengthening your hips and outer thighs, and it seriously improves your agility. Try to stay low to the ground and land softly each time. Number 5, long jumps. Now, let's see how far you can fly. From a standing start, swing your arms and jump forward as far as you possibly can. This builds incredible horizontal power, which is perfect for if you like to run or play sports. A fun tip is to mark where you land and see if you can beat your own distance each time. Number 6, squat jumps. Let's get back to basics. This is the foundation. You just go down into a deep squat and then explode upward as high as you can, landing softly before repeating. This builds serious strength in your thighs and glutes. Remember to keep your chest up and push through your heels for the most power. Number 7, lunge jumps. Now, let's work on balance. Start in a lunge position, then jump up and switch your legs in the air before you land. This builds explosive strength in each leg individually. To protect your knees, make sure you land gently on the balls of your feet. Number 8, single leg hops. Let's give each leg its own challenge. Simply balance on one foot and hop forward several times in a controlled way, then switch to the other leg. This is perfect for improving your balance and making sure one leg isn't weaker than the other. The key is control, not just bouncing around. Number 9, depth jumps. For a real power boost, step off a box, land softly, and the moment you touch the ground, immediately jump back up as high as you can. This trains your muscles to be super explosive, like a spring. Number 10, split squat jumps. And finally, we'll finish with this more advanced move. Go into a split squat stance and jump straight up, landing in the same position. It builds incredible power in your thighs and glutes and boosts your leg endurance. Focus on driving up powerfully through the heel of your front foot. And there you have it, 10 powerful jump variations that will turn weak, tired legs into explosive engines of strength. Train hard, stay explosive, and unlock the power inside you.